Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, so 37.05 is your all-time high of the moment. They're bringing it back in a little bit between later in the day yesterday and this morning. So you can see on the hourly chart, they've brought it back in slowly over the course of yesterday. You had the Sunday night leap up to 37.05. This dip got bought. You got a lower high relative to here. It was kind of triangling here. Here's your weekly pivot, 36.60.83. Your 9-day is also 36.60. So this, for me, is the key area today. We've traded as low as 64.25, and I will tell you right now, if that's the best that the bears can do, they're in for a long week. They need to contest this 36.60 area and try to win this 36.60 area. If they can try to limp their way back to this 42 to 44 area that was important middle of the week last week, and try to get down to a middle Bollinger Band test on the daily chart, which right now is 36.15 and rising. That's just basic stuff from the bears. I mean, that's not asking the bears to send the market off a cliff, or it's none of that stuff. It's just that's basic two-sided market stuff. Nobody's asking the bears to put the world on their shoulders, and we're just asking them not to trip over the grass. That's it. So what I'm going to look at today, the biggest thing for me today heading into tomorrow, is on what side of 36.60 do we close? And do the bears even make it a game down there? So we were short last night in the 84 area, but the whip up, this one here, got us, and it would have whipped up again anyway, so it didn't really matter. But it was heavy last night, and you saw the hourly mid-band acting as resistance, and in those situations, it's worth it to try a short. Yesterday during the day was a tape that the bulls didn't get the job done up top in the 36.96 area, and then they brought it down real fast on news, and then they kind of languished down there the rest of the day, and it was a tape that really couldn't make any big decisions one way or the other. So as far as a position that was going to pay you more than say 5-6 handles, it really wasn't. It wasn't that kind of a tape yesterday. And that stuff's going to happen on Mondays, and that stuff's going to happen in December. So we'll see what we have here. Right now, it's marched up from 64.25 to VWAP, which is sitting right in the 77 and change area, about 77.25. Our proprietary moving average is at 74. Hourly mid-band, 80.5. So in a tight situation, in any situation at all, 74 to 81 is going to be the deal off the open today. Bulls want to get on top of that, reach back towards the overnight highs in the 87 area, and try to get back to yesterday's opening print up at 36.90.5. As we discussed, what do the bears want to do? They want to hold the line right here at VWAP if they can get away with it. Get back below 74 and then reach back for 64 and try to deal with the 9-day and weekly pivot down at 36.60. What they have to avoid is creating matching lows or some kind of a double bottom situation anywhere along the way, which they're really, really good at doing. So that's the deal for today. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come check out the room, and I will talk to everybody tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.